Hey guys, jumping on quick just to show you our Double Duty Caddy. This one's been around for a while and it's one of my favorite functional products that I use for a ton of things in our house. So it's got two different compartments, which is kind of hard to see because I didn't bother dumping mine out. But there's one compartment here and one compartment here. This has obviously got all of the lids in it, and it stays on one of my Lazy Susans in the kitchen for all of our Tupperware stuff, so I can quickly grab a lid without having to search or have them fall all over in our Tupperware container or our Tupperware cupboard. But it's got 4 mesh pockets on the outside, 2 on either side, and it's structured so that it doesn't like collapse or fall in, and it's got the handle on top so it's easy to carry anywhere you need to go. I think they're fabulous for a bunch of different reasons. I keep one on my nightstand that keeps the books that I'm currently reading in the back. I have my book light attached to the handle so I can quickly just grab that and turn it on and off. And then I've got like chapsticks in these side pockets so that before I go to bed I can throw on some chapstick and it's right next to me. And I've got medicine that I take at night in the front pocket so that I always have that close and I know where it is. I've also got another one on my dresser that holds hair supplies and my brushes, and my deodorant fits right in the side. So in the morning, if my husband's sleeping and I need to get dressed quick, I can just grab the whole thing and run to one of the other bathrooms and have everything I need in order to get ready. It's great for your curling irons and all of that too. We also keep one handy in the summer because it's perfect to hold condiments. So if you're going to be eating outside, throw your ketchup and your mustard, mayonnaise or whatever in the front, your paper towels and napkins in the back, and then your utensils on the side, and you can grab this to go as like a picnic caddy, and it's super simple to take anywhere. So that's our Double Duty Caddy, and you can use it for just about a million different things. Oh, I've also got one on my desk at work because it holds my pens and highlighters on the side closest to where I'm working. And then I've got lotions and stuff for my desk for just my little comfort things that I have at work. So the Double Duty Caddy, and it comes in like 6 or 7 different prints right now, so check them out, including the new Counting Clouds print, which is great for nurseries. And if you're going to go to a baby shower or you know somebody that's pregnant, it's going to be a really cute print to fill one of these with like the baby shampoos and powders and a little stuffed toy or something, and then wrap all this up with a little bow in some cellophane or something, and it'll make a really cute little gift. It's a perfect way for them to use it forever and have it filled with stuff that you picked out for them. So that's the Double Duty Caddy. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.